Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can always receive alerts when I upload new videos and live streams, and give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey Planner fam, it's your girl CheKesha of Her Lovely Plan, and yes, your eyes are seeing what it's seeing. Baby's first debut plan with me. Baby is what I call my traveler's notebook, because this is my very first, and you know we always call our first babies. So when I talk about my traveler's notebook, I will be referring to her as baby. So for those that jump on my videos, don't be alarmed. I'm just talking about my traveler's notebook. So this is going to be my lifestyle planner for 2019. And the reason why I'm calling it a lifestyle planner is because it's going to be all of things that pertains to my life. And I was going to use a mini planner as my catch-all for 2019. However, I never had planner piece with that planner. And as I started adding my inserts and customizing baby, I really fell in love with how it was coming together. So I decided to gift my mini to my mentee that I mentor for cosmetology. So with that being said, even though I'm not starting this plan until 2019, I am starting my fitness journey this week, and I wanted to go ahead and set up for the month of December in my fitness insert. So if you want to see how I set up that portion of my lifestyle planner system, aka baby, aka my traveler's notebook, stick around. Okay, so I'm not going to do a full flip through of baby until 2019. You've probably seen me do some flip throughs and some things on Instagram or even just on some of my lives, but it's still coming together. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to add my little clips and bows and things like that and arrange my die cuts. But for now, we're going to go ahead and work in my fitness section. And so this insert actually came from Recollections, and this is an undated, so that's why this is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and date my month, and then we're going to set up the week for my workout plan. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
pieces.
my setup in my monthly insert for my travels notebook, aka baby. So what I decided to do is just kind of give you a quick overview. Just try to do something cute with the month. Add some washi, a couple of deco stickers, and the beginning of the month and the end of the month is how I'm going to do my weigh-ins. I'm a firm believer of checking your weight, but not checking it every day or every week, because you'll get disappointed if you don't see the numbers changing each day. And because I had to use my little Peyton sticker, it says Peyton cramps. I know my weight is going to be a little bit off, but nevertheless, I'm still going to go ahead and track it. And then I use these stickers from Sweet Caress. These are so cute, these icon stickers. And then I just use my mile liner to kind of highlight where I'm going to put my goals for the week. And also I use my mile liner down here. I decided I want to do color coding for this month just to see how that works out with me. Works out for me. So what I'll probably do is, like, in the corner, in like a little triangle section, just mark the days that I work out, rest, and even treat days. Because I'm a firm believer, when you work hard, you still have to treat yourself. And then these stickers came from the Planet Basics sticker book. And this washi is just washi that I've gotten from Hobby Lobby from the Paper Studio. So this section right here was a little awkward to me, just because I'm so used to having my weekly pages be 2 pages. But in this planner, because it's an insert and it's not only just a monthly, it's a monthly and weekly. So I can actually set up my monthly like I would typically do in my mini planner, and then I have my weeks, and then when the next month comes, it's like that, and I have my weeks as well. So it was interesting to try to just do a week on one page, but it was kind of fun. And I just wanted to make it cute and fun for my first week of working out. I'm going to try to do at least 3 days. I wanted to use these water tracker stickers, which I got from Little Miss Fancy Plans website, and that's at Home with Keita, because I want to remind myself, drink lots of water. That's something that I don't do. I drink water, but not enough. And then I used some of these cute little workout stickers from the Polka Dot Planner and from Stickers by Rhonda. And then, of course, I had to add in E. Michelle somewhere in there. So this is going to be my weigh-in date. I'm going to weigh myself, and I'm going to document it, and I'm going to share it, because with any journey, it's about being held accountable. And I believe if I put my information out there for you all to see, it'll definitely keep me accountable. And then I just put this little treat yourself sticker with another icon sticker from Little Miss Fancy Plans. And this is just a little cute blender to remind me to do smoothies. And then the notes section, just to kind of put whatever notes I need to put for this week. Even if I need to like highlight my weight might have been a little bit off, just because it was that time of the month. But this is week 1, and this is December the 3rd through the 9th. Hopefully, guys, this will work out, because I really have a goal that I want to reach by my birthday. If I can't reach the goal, at least get close enough, you know? So this is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you want to see more of my spreads in my fitness insert in my traveler's notebook. And I will probably do an after the pen on my Instagram page as well. That's where I normally do post those if I do. And just to show y'all, I didn't even tell you, the little notes, this came from Simply Me Quiche, and some says hey boo, and these ones are plain, and I thought that was cute. As well as the washi, again, came from the Paper Studio. So if you like this and this has inspired you to go ahead and set up your own fitness planner, travels notebook, whatever the case may be, y'all let me know. Drop me a link below. Let me know what your fitness goals are and what you're doing to track as well. So until next time, Planner fam, peace.